Hold on to your seats because today we're diving into a world where rare classics meet expert salvagers. Welcome back to our channel, where dreams get polished and engines roar. Today's episode is all about a rare classic that was almost lost forever. But wait, there's a twist. This beauty wasn't just any ordinary car. It was a true gem waiting to be unearthed. And who were the lucky ones to find it? You guessed it, the dynamic duo from Salvage Hunters. Their mission, to restore this classic to its former glory and make it purr like a kitten. Intrigued? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you through an unbelievable journey of discovery, restoration, and sheer automotive passion. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the main attraction, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a barn, dusty, cluttered, filled with relics of the past and whispers of forgotten dreams. Now picture this. A team of experts entering this haven of nostalgia. Their mission, to unearth hidden treasures, breathe new life into forgotten machines, and reveal stories etched into every bolt and bumper. That's the essence of Salvage Hunters. It's more than just a show. It's a celebration of automotive history and the passionate individuals who keep it alive. And what better way to honor this passion than by giving you, our amazing viewers, a sneak peek behind the scenes? Now, without further ado, let's turn the spotlight on the star of today's show, a rare classic that had been tucked away, gathering dust and patiently waiting for its moment to shine once again. Number 8, a rare classic. The Salvage Hunters faced off against a rusted Ford Model T in an online auction. They won the bid at £28,600. The vehicle hadn't moved in over 40 years and was covered in layers of grime. The seller, a farmer, had no idea the car was even in the barn until he called in experts to clear it out. The team was surprised to see the Model T, especially since it was rumored to have belonged to Al Capone. While they didn't confirm this, they found the car fascinating. Its rarity and historical connection made it a thrilling addition to their collection. However, the Ford Model T is not the only vintage automobile that has captivated the interest of collectors and enthusiasts. The classic car market is filled with unique and rare models that hold immense value for car lovers. One such example is the Chevrolet Corvette, a legendary American sports car that has been turning heads since its introduction in 1953. From the iconic Stingray to the modern Zora, Corvettes are highly sought after by collectors who appreciate their performance and timeless design. Another sought-after classic is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, a legendary German sports car that was produced from 1954 to 1963. Its gull-wing doors and powerful engine made it a standout on the roads of its time. Today, the 300 SL is considered one of the most beautiful and valuable classic cars ever made. Number 7, Salvaged by Salvage Hunters. In a heartwarming display of passion and expertise, the Salvage Hunters tracked down and rescued a forgotten classic, breathing new life into a piece of automotive history. Their dedication and skill have ensured that this rare find will continue to delight car enthusiasts for generations to come. The story of their latest salvage is nothing short of a captivating journey. It all began when the Salvage Hunters stumbled upon a neglected 1968 Ford Mustang in an online auction. The car, which had been languishing in a barn for several years, was covered in dirt and neglect. Its once vibrant colors faded and its engine silenced. But the Salvage Hunters saw beyond the grime and recognized the Mustang's true potential. With their keen eye for detail and vast knowledge of classic cars, they knew that with a little TLC, this Mustang could be restored to its former glory. The bidding process was intense, with the Salvage Hunters going head-to-head against several other enthusiasts. But their determination paid off, and they successfully purchased the car for a reasonable price. As they brought the Mustang back to their workshop, excitement filled the air. The team got to work, methodically dismantling the car and assessing the extent of the damage. They discovered that the bodywork was in surprisingly good condition, with only minor rust issues that could be easily addressed. The engine, however, was in need of a complete overhaul. But the Salvage Hunters were up to the task. They sourced a replacement engine, and with their combined expertise, they managed to bring the Mustang back to life. As the final touches were being put on the restoration, the Salvage Hunters arranged for a photo shoot to showcase their stunning work. The car looked like $1,000,000, its sleek lines and powerful stance restored to perfection. The cherry red paint job gleamed in the sunlight, while the chrome accents sparkled like new. The engine purred like a well-oiled machine, ready to hit the road once again. As the Salvage Hunters took the restored Mustang for a spin, they couldn't help but feel a sense of pride and satisfaction. They had not only rescued a classic car from a barn, but they had also breathed new life into a piece of automotive history. The car was so beautifully restored that it caught the attention of a classic car collector who offered to buy it from them. The Salvage Hunters, ever the savvy business people that they are, saw an opportunity to make a profit and accepted the offer. The collector was thrilled with the purchase, and the Salvage Hunters were pleased with the return on their investment. Number 6. An unbelievable transformation. From a weathered barn find to a show-stopping beauty, this classic underwent an unbelievable transformation that left onlookers in awe. Number 5. Before and after effect. The difference between the car's appearance before and after the restoration was so dramatic that it left viewers stunned. The Salvage Hunters specialize in finding neglected classic cars and bringing them back to life with their expertise and passion for automobiles. Their latest project was a 1968 Ford Mustang, a classic American muscle car that had seen better days. The car had been sitting in a barn for over 20 years, covered in dirt and neglect, and it was in desperate need of restoration. The Salvage Hunters purchased the car and brought it back to their workshop, where they began the arduous task of restoring it to its former glory. They spent months working on the car, replacing parts, repainting it, and bringing the engine back to life. The transformation was remarkable, and the end result was stunning. The once neglected muscle car was now a gleaming beauty that was ready to hit the road again. But the transformation didn't stop there. The Salvage Hunters decided to take the Mustang to a car show where they showcased its beauty to the world. The car was a crowd favorite, and many people commented on the incredible transformation that the Salvage Hunters had achieved. Number 4. Restoration curiosity. Viewers couldn't help but wonder how on earth the Salvage Hunters managed to restore the car to such pristine condition. They were curious about the techniques and expertise involved in bringing a car that old back to life. The Salvage Hunters are known for their exceptional restoration skills, and people wanted to know what made them so good at what they do. Some viewers were also curious about the tools and equipment that the Salvage Hunters used to restore the car. They wanted to know if there were any special techniques or advanced equipment involved in the process. Overall, the restoration process was a fascinating one, and viewers couldn't help but be curious about the methods and expertise involved in bringing a classic car back to life. Number 3. The emotional surprise factor. The emotional aspect of the restoration was something that viewers could relate to. Many people have fond memories associated with classic cars, and seeing one being restored brought back those emotions. Viewers couldn't help but feel a sense of nostalgia as they watched the Salvage Hunters work on the car. Some viewers were also surprised by the car's history and the story behind its restoration. The Salvage Hunters often share interesting anecdotes about the cars they restore, and people love hearing those stories. Overall, the emotional aspect of the restoration was a significant part of the show's appeal. Viewers couldn't help but feel a sense of connection to the car and its history, making the restoration process all the more meaningful. Number 2. Hidden Treasure Reveal. The Hidden Treasure Reveal was another exciting aspect of the show. Viewers loved seeing the car being uncovered and revealed in its restored glory. The suspense built as the Salvage Hunters worked on the car, and people were eager to see the final product. When the car was finally revealed, viewers couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. It was a thrilling moment, and people were eager to see the car in action. Overall, the Hidden Treasure Reveal was a significant part of the show's appeal. Viewers loved the suspense and excitement that came with seeing a classic car being restored and then revealed in all its glory. Number 1. Viral transformation. The viral transformation of the classic car was a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Salvage Hunters. The show's popularity grew as people shared clips of the restoration process on social media platforms. The transformation of the classic car was so impressive that it caught the attention of many viewers. People were amazed by the Salvage Hunters' ability to restore a car that old to its former glory, and they couldn't help but share clips of the process on social media. The show's producers capitalized on the viral popularity of the restoration process and began sharing more behind-the-scenes clips and updates on social media. This gave fans a closer look at the restoration process and allowed them to connect with the Salvage Hunters on a more personal level. The Salvage Hunters' social media presence grew exponentially as more and more people became interested in their work. They used their newfound platform to promote classic car restoration and to share their expertise with the world. The viral transformation of the classic car was a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Salvage Hunters. The show's popularity grew as people shared clips of the restoration process on social media platforms. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this ultimate transformation. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means everything to us, so click the notification bell and never miss out on our incredible content. Until next time, keep revving those engines and stay tuned for more heart-pumping action.